Recently, I installed a new kitchen. All kitchen cabinet are new, including the backsplash, countertop, the sink, the faucet, also those storage and water supply. New pipes, all new pipes. Let's check the drawer. It has damping. Look at this. I push it hard. It slows down by itself. I put the vinyl flooring. Those flooring are new. Exhaust fan. I installed a 6-inch tubing. It's good fit for the ventilation fan, for the hood fan, because 6-inch is good enough to take all the air away. I put a switch, so when doing washing wedges, it can be seen. Those stuff can be seen clearly. I put 1, 2, 3 receptacle over this wall, one over that one. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.